right, everybody, good morning. We are making some holes. Again. All right, so no back seat. So what we're gonna do is the front bar is underneath there. We're gonna make a hole. First make a pilot hole, and then we're gonna make sure it's centered into that plate that's on top of the cross member. And then we're gonna make a hole and then either attach it to here or up here to this bar right here. So we're gonna figure out where we're gonna, where it looks the best and where it's gonna be the best system.
Right. A new drill bit works so nice.
Yeah, all right, let me see where you ended up. Okay, dead center there.
Good.
Hold on, dead center there, and put it in. You gotta go back a little bit.
Back,
like another 1/4 inch back.
This way or that?
Yeah, this way. So.
This way or this way?
This way, right. Put it right. Try that spot right there.
Well, that could also just be the way I was angling.
No.
The drill.
Well, put it straight in then.
Well,
hold on, guys. Let me check this out. I gotta do this. All right, no, he's good. He's good. All right, so where you're at is good.
So this one.
So make it the same exact.
Well, yeah, it should
use another spot.
It should be right there. I mean, that's.
Put it. Okay, you're right. Let me see.
It should be like right there.
In the middle of that hole, yeah. Okay, right there, yep. Yep. Check the other side real quick. You're dead on center? I mean, you could go back a little bit. I would go back another 1/4 inch or something.
Should be right there. Look at that, drop right on it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do this side.
Yeah, look. Let's see if he can. Alright, shut it off. It's pretty close anyway. Yeah. Drops right on.
Alright, good. Alright, cool. Hit the other side.
Seems like it's a little far that way.
What do you mean?
But then again, it's not.
It's not centered. It's not on the bar.
Right. That didn't drop straight up.
All right. Beautiful. Yeah, that lines up good. Okay, cool. All right, now I'm gonna see where this bars fit in there.
All right.
All right, so we decided to go up. Show them where we're gonna put it.
So this bar is gonna go straight up to this block here. Alright, so we're gonna oblong the hole a little bit so we can get an angle. He's just cutting a straight piece now, so then we'll go cut that in the hole saw, and then we'll figure out what angle we need to cut for the bottom piece. So just need to make a straight cut. Okay, so right now we're just kind of finishing up making the wheelie bar brackets fit, because we're going to just put those on there anyway. That way they're already done. If you want to put wheelie bars on later, you can, but while we're doing all the welding and everything, you might as well put them on there. They won't be in the way of anything, so. We're just grinding all the spots up where we got to weld it. Because we're going to put the anti-roll bar up there where the shock brackets are, so that top hole doesn't get used, so we're going to just put the clevis right in there, and then we'll be able to use that. We're getting a longer bar, that way we can put that in there, instead of having to make a bracket and to mount this.
So we made a couple of wheelie bar brackets up like that. That's gonna go there.
Here, cause show them what we were gonna put.
Well, we need a tab for these.
It was gonna go there. That's what the bar is.
But
you know.
Then I started thinking, saying, okay, well, you didn't say anything about wheelie bars. You really didn't plan on wheelie bars. But to plan ahead, I'd rather have the brackets in here welded on. This way, if you powder coat this or whatever you're gonna do to it, it's on, okay? And then what we're gonna do with these is, made up a couple of spacers. These spacers are gonna go on the inside of here like that, right?
And we'll just tack them in there later, that way they don't.
They're gonna be tacked in so they don't move. And then this will go in here. And that's why you wanna tack the spacers in so they don't keep freaking dropping out. Right, that'll be in there like that. Get a longer bolt, these will be tacked in. That'll go up here. We just ordered a longer bar, right? So for this.
That way we can
So
put
it's gonna
those
be like
brackets.
that much longer. And then this will end up here like this. Instead of over here. But then if we put it over here, right?
Really there's not enough room to put the bolt.
There's not enough room to put this and the bracket or nothing. So we're gonna do this once. I'm not doing it again. So it's gonna get hooked to this. It's hooked to this. This is gonna be its own entity. This is gonna be its own entity because you can't use this for anything else anyway.
Right. So
I don't know what these guys were thinking. They made these brackets, and I'm assuming they were gonna use wheelie bars here and here, but then. Don't ask me. I don't know. I have no idea. But these are going to be wheelie bar brackets. This is going to be up here like this. Okay. So we're gonna utilize this because it's nice and strong. It's in the right spot. It's on the top of the rear, and then you can use this for the shocks. So we're supposed to use them. All right. So we're gonna use this as a spacer to square it up, and then that'll be sitting like that, and that'll be like that. Okay. So. The other a couple of pieces are coming. We just tracked them, they're coming today. And this we ordered. Hopefully we'll get this quick. And then we're good. So we should be doing all right. Daryl's on his way over here. He's gonna be finished welding up all that stuff in the front. This way all that's welded. We can take the rear out. All this could be welded out of the car.
And then we could put the ends on out.
And then we could put the ends on it, and then we're good to go. And she's a roller. So,
yep.
A few more days. Hopefully we'll be done.
Yep. And then whenever the spindles get back, then we can put the front tires on.
I'm going to try calling them up today and see what happened to them. And then we could roll it. And once we can roll, we got to get axles, but those will only take a few days. Once we can roll it, then we'll put it outside, put the headliner in it, and then I'm gonna make this cover for this, but I don't want to make the cover until everything's in place and it's rolling, so I know how much of a belly we're gonna put in it. Which I guess an extra ain't gonna hurt, but I just ordered another piece of 1.5 inch for the cross member that we're gonna make, so you can put his fire extinguisher
yeah.
system in. Cause that's 1.5 inch again, which nobody seems to have shit anywhere. But we're getting there. All right? All right, waiting on Daryl.
I'm falling asleep.
All right?
Yeah.
So that's basically what it's gonna look like.
And then
And then
the
over here it's
arm,
gonna come down.
that arm will be able to swing up and down while it's in
This
there.
will be able to go all the way up to there, which it ain't never gonna go that high, and all the way down to there. You got 6 or 8 inches of travel, which you don't. The shop
That's-
only moves forward,
right.
3.5 each way.
So that's gonna be the side. Then we can form it, and we'll cut our piece out with the metal, so we can have something to follow.
So this first. I'm gonna make it in a couple of pieces, and then I'm gonna weld it all together.
Well, it's gonna be 3 pieces. The one piece that's gonna go on the sides there, and then you're gonna have your one piece that comes to about the flat, and then we'll have the other piece that comes up from the bottom, because it's got those few little different curves to it and lines.
Alright. So that'll go like that. I'll make a little lip on it here. And
Something
then,
flat.
and then we'll go from there all the way over to here. And then another piece straight down.
Okay.
Alright.
We got 2 pieces.
Yep. Okay. So we're welding in the cross member and welding in the supports that go up to the back of the cage in the car. Now we're going to do the 2 supports that go on the side after that. Got the wheelie bars tacked in place, so they're tacked in. We'll be able to get that out. Take the whole rear out and then weld everything up in one shot. So he's putting that side piece in, so like this, on the other side, nice support. So now we're doing the other side. This side's done. Top of that's done. Finish up that line. Alright, so we're welding up the top ones now. Something like that. Take it through the floor. rack, top of the cross member. And over here, started making these plates that you saw before, one on each side. And then we'll make a cover for it. Alright, those are all done. Right to there. Alright, now we're going to weld up all the little heim joints for the trailing arms. This one's for the anti-roll bar, and then all the 4-link bars. Let me get that done now. Alright, we got this all done. That's all done. All the track bars all redone. All finished, all welded up. Alright.